I'm very sorry for that because I forgot for a moment that this vlog is actually in Hindi. बट हेलो फ्रेंड, कैसे हो आप लोग? आपका फिर से स्वागत है हमारे इस व्लॉग अजहर लाइफ में। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको रियलाइज़ करवाना चाहूँगा एक ऐसे इंस्पायरेशनल एग्जाम्पल से जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। Just see one thing, that if you are happy in your life, then it's okay, and if you are not happy from your life, you must have to go through this kind of example which I'm gonna give to you. That is the reason I try to make some kind of comparison between the life of the rich people versus the life of poor people. So according to my point of view, the life of the poor people is more natural as compared to the life of the rich people. Why? What is the reason behind that? I tell you. Because if you are rich, then you can buy the natural places like a garden or a farmhouse to live peaceful life. But if you are a poor, then you don't require to buy all those things, because God has gifted them all those things naturally. And you must have to take an example of a village. And as for example, you can see just behind me what a beautiful scenery or a natural place. I did not buy these places. If you are in a village, if you are belong to any village of your rural area, and it is high possibility that you will get all these things easily. God has gifted to the poor people naturally. All those things is very natural for the poor people, because you are not required to buy all these things. Because you can see just behind me what a natural place, what a beautiful place. If you are belong from the rural area or a village life, then it is high possibility that you will be having all those things. Therefore, I can say the life of the poor people is more luxurious as compared to the life of the rich people. The second example which I would like to give to you, that if you are a wealthy or a rich, then it is not easy for you to sleep in the night easily, because you will have to take some kind of help of a medicine for sleeping. But if you will take example of a poor people, then it is very easy for them to sleep in the night, because they work hard entire day and sleep at night peacefully. So I think that you are intelligent enough to understand my point, what I am trying to say. I'm very sorry for that because I forgot for a moment that this vlog is actually in Hindi, but I give an example in English.